financial goal setting, planning for the future. Hey there, wealthy youngsters! Welcome back to our series on money and personal finance. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's going to set you on a path towards financial success: financial goal setting. All right, let's break it down. Financial goal setting is like creating a roadmap for your money. It's all about deciding what you want to achieve with your finances and making a plan to get there. Whether it's buying your dream home, going to college, or even starting a business, setting financial goals helps you make your dreams a reality. Let's explore some examples in detail. Wealthy youngsters. 1. Short-term goal, saving for a gaming console. Imagine you've got your eyes on a super cool gaming console. It's not something you want to wait years for, right? That's where short-term goals come in. You'll create a plan to save a certain amount every week or month until you have enough to buy that console. Remember, short-term goals are all about things you can achieve relatively quickly. Medium-term goal, saving for college. Planning to go to university or college? That's an important medium-term goal. You'll need to save up for tuition, books, and maybe even a bit of fun money. Since this goal takes a few years to achieve, you'll need to plan and save consistently over time. 3. Long-term goal, owning a house. Imagine having a place to call your own, like a house. This is a long-term goal because it takes a lot of time and money. You'll need to work on your finances over the years, saving for a down payment and building your credit score. Long-term goals require patience and careful planning. 4. Long-term goal, traveling the world. Wanderlust calling? If you dream of exploring the world, saving for big trips is a long-term goal. You'll need to budget and save over a period of time to cover the costs of travel, accommodation, and all those amazing experiences. 5. Entrepreneurial goal, starting a business. Have a business idea that makes you excited? That's an entrepreneurial goal. You'll need to plan not just for your personal finances, but also for the costs of launching and running a business. It's a big challenge, but it can lead to big rewards. 6. Smart goal, emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. That's why having an emergency fund is a smart financial goal. It's money set aside to help you out when unexpected things happen, like a sudden car repair or a medical bill. Let's have some fun with a quick quiz. Wealthy youngsters, get ready. Question 1. What's a financial goal you might have for buying a new bike? Question 2. Is saving for college a short-term or long-term financial goal? Question 3. What's a goal you'd set if you want to travel to space one day? Question 4. If you're thinking of opening a bakery, what kind of financial goal is that? Question 5. Should you have money set aside for unexpected situations? Yes or no? Question 6. What's the first step in achieving your financial goals? Take some time to jot down your answers to the quiz questions. Remember, no rush. All right, let's go over the quiz answers and dive into the explanations, wealthy youngsters. First answer, short-term goal. That's right. Saving for a new bike is a short-term goal. You can achieve this goal relatively quickly compared to some of the bigger ones we talked about. Second answer, long-term goal. Great job! Saving for college is indeed a long-term financial goal. It takes several years of consistent saving to cover tuition and other expenses. Third answer, long-term goal. You got it! Dreaming of space travel is a huge long-term goal. It involves massive planning, resources, and time. Fourth answer, entrepreneurial goal. Absolutely. Opening a bakery is an entrepreneurial financial goal. It involves not only saving money, but also creating a business plan and navigating the world of entrepreneurship. Fifth answer, yes. You're right on the money. Having an emergency fund is crucial to be prepared for unexpected situations. It's like a financial safety net. Sixth answer, plan. Nailed it. The first step to achieving your financial goals is planning. This means figuring out what you want, creating a roadmap, and sticking to it. Congratulations, wealthy youngsters! You've just taken a huge step towards becoming financially savvy. Remember, financial goal setting is like your secret weapon for turning your dreams into reality. Keep learning, keep setting goals, and keep being awesome.
If you're ready to start your investment journey, we recommend Wealthsimple. Invest in stocks, crypto, and more all in one app. Low fees, expert management, and crypto options. It's all here. When you sign up, use our referral code for a chance to win between $5 and $3,000. Visit wealthsimple.com to get started.